Hi guys, I got millions of responses on the first video and questions and answers. I don't know why I'm looking at that camera. I need to look at that camera. Hi guys, I got millions of answers to the questions that you asked. It's true. I really don't feel like doing anything with the software today, and I haven't thought about it at all, but I have thought about opening up this puppy and seeing what's under the hood. So let's go. Hey guys, it's back already. So this is something I usually find stupid, annoying, irritating, etc. But this is a television, specifically a CRT display. They hold a lot of power, even for a long time after you pull them off. So I'm gonna ground myself. I haven't done this in a long time because, like I said, I usually don't care. I just gotta figure out what I'm gonna ground myself to. This should work. Alright guys, I really don't know if I'm grounded or not. I really hope I am. Let's switch to my right hand. Don't go poking and prodding too much when you're inside these TVs, unless you really know what you're doing. And I don't have a clue what I'm doing. So unplug your television. I'm gonna unplug everything because it's annoying. Throw it all on the floor. Let's take a look at what we have here. Huh. That looks a lot like TV, don't it? Sure do. Got a good view of it. Yep. I got the toolkit. PC tool repair kit thing. It's got tools. It's got a soldering iron. It's mostly what I need. Let's see if one of these happens to fit. Otherwise, thank you. Thank you. Oh, saves so much trouble. I'm gonna hope that there aren't very many. Let's take a peek. Oh, there we go. Look at those. Oh, one of those is loose. Okay, there's 4 screws. Is that really all the plug is on? Screw right in the middle of all of these. So get those out of the way because they're gonna get stuck there anyways. Okay, we got another screw. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, wow. Oh, man, I have some cleaning to do. Oh, and look at that little bitty speaker. Oh my gosh, that's something else I want to upgrade. Oh, that is disgusting. Huh. Ooh. I really hope you've been in focus this whole time. This is another knob. So I wonder if that's what I have been looking for to try and adjust this hold. I don't know. Goes like that. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, I hook up VHF, UHF. Okay. First try, plug it into power. Woo! Nothing exploded. Okay, look like that. I already booted up the Pi. I had it plugged in, I think. Very careful not to touch anything. Changing subject completely. I didn't realize this antenna just plugged straight into the UHF. Just right back in. So I can actually take that antenna off, and I have an external hole to run, I mean, whatever I need into it. Probably. Anyways, here is the moment of truth. Woo! I got something, and that's better than nothing. Okay. Here's the new knob. Oh, look at that. We can get a much clearer picture with it. I wonder what it is. Can leave it off centered like this. Ugh. You know what? I'm gonna go get a vacuum. Here's my vacuum. Okay. This is still huge, and it does not have to be inside, which is really nice, because this unscrews right here. It's gonna be hooked up, so you know what I'm saying, right? I'm going to see if I can stick this around. Look at that. Now this whole component can fit inside the case, along with, oh my gosh, that's coming apart. Now I'm going to take off this antenna that was built in, because it doesn't do anything, but it has these little weird screws. I don't know what they are. There's some proprietary something, so don't take them off. So I'm gonna take them off. Yeah, if I make it fit in one and it fits. Cool. This had a 90-day labor and parts warranty and a 1-year picture tube warranty. It's just twisted in this plastic that they just melted. Yeah, they just melted it over. Goodness, where are my clippers? Pop. There we go. Okay. Oh my goodness. I didn't want to take it apart, but I'm definitely not fitting that through the hole, and I don't want to bend it. It's already coming off, actually. Maybe I will. See if it'll pop off. Ah! Woo! Look at that. Woo! Thing of beauty. I'm gonna set this back in here. Just how it's been sitting. There we go. Now look at that, no antenna, just kind of weird. I guess I have cable management. Wrap it around. This clip's also broke off, so that's pointless. But I have it. These will be really cool for external ports. Especially, I wonder how the Pi would fit there. If I could get it right inside there. Oh wow, yeah, that is perfect. I'm gonna have to take out a lot of stuff, figure it out, but I want that. Yeah, I want that right there on the inside. Now, power to the TV. Really hope it's plugged in. On through. Alright, the moment of truth. I got sound immediately. Yeah. Oh, yes, look at that. It worked. Do it, old buddy. Oh.
Doesn't know what or who is on this one. Maybe it's this guy. The truth is a mystery.
Wow. Yeah, I really need.
Is that guy?
A new speaker. But that is wonderful. Oh, thank you guys. This has been this Raspberry Pi TV show. Episode 2. Thank you. Ooh. Oh wow, thanks. Just sitting here watching me clean up. Bye.